Ferris, what are you drinking?
Energy Coke.
What are you drinking? What's that? What are you drinking? It's all gone.
Mookies.
Smooky?
It's nummy?
It's nummy. That smoothie is nummy. Do you want some more?
Yeah.
You want some more green smoothie? Here, I'll give you some of mine. Green smoothie. Some kale in there, you know, because of all that kale. Some flax, some chia. It's your favorite. You love almond milk, right? How is it? Some peanut butter? A banana in there? Smoogie.
Smooky.
You love smoothies?
It's nummy?
That's a nummy smoothie. Are you drinking it? Oh. Is it all gone now?
But smoky. Smoky. More smoky. More smoky.
You say please.
It's be smoky. It's be smoky. Let's be smoky.
You love it?
It's a smoky.
Are you stirring it up?
Yeah.
Is your straw cold? No, those metal straws get cold, don't they? It's good. It's good.
What's this cup?
That's a cup. That's right. That's a cup. All done? All gone.
More smoky? More smoky?